Hello guys, big welcome back to the channel. Today we are here to answer a very common question nowadays. How much to start in scale modeling? In order to do that, we are starting a series here in the channel where we will guide you through what you need to start in a budget and then go through the assembly of the model with the tools that we have. So let's go and let me tell you all about it. We all know that a couple of big stores in the UK had Airfix sets on sale, and obviously some people that aren't modelers have bought them and now they are asking themselves, what do I need to assemble it? Do I need to spend a bunch of money? Do I need to buy an airbrush, a compressor, all those kind of things? So I decided to guide you through my shopping spree and let you know what you need to start in a budget and achieve a fairly decent result. Having thought of that, I start looking around. I headed up to Amazon, tried to figure out cheap stuff, Poundland for the ones that are on the UK, Wilkinson, all those budget stores, and try to find the best things. So first things first, obviously to start on this you need a scale model. So I've chose this one. This one was $6.99 from the well-known budget store, and I chose this one for one reason. It's all one color, it's easier to paint, and better to get a better result without demotivating you on the first attempt. I think this is the perfect 1/72 scale, perfect scale to start. Just one color, overall one color, that's great. Decals, they are cartographs, so they should be absolutely amazing. They should be spot on and easy for you to work with. So that is the first part of the model, of the hobby sorted. After having the model, I headed up to Amazon and start scavenging around. So I found this nice cheap cutty mat. This is a self-healing one, and this is absolutely essential if you don't want to damage your desk like I do most of the times. Yeah, obviously you can look around the house, get a piece of thick cardboard or a spare piece of wood that you have around, but I think this is the proper thing to go through. This was £3.57 with free delivery for Amazon Prime members, so I think it's not that bad for a self-healing cutting mat. I then went to find some tools, come across this little set that we have here. And this set was £8.99, again with free delivery for Amazon Prime members. This set has pretty much all you need for the assembling stages. So this set comes with a pair of side cutters, spare blades for your hobby knife. As you can see, everything still sealed. I haven't opened everything, and this will help you with trimming your little parts. So when you cut this, there's some excess on the part, so you can use this to trim the parts down. Let's be safe and put the cap back on. Always be careful, very sharp as usual. Then a nice couple of tweezers. These aren't the best ones, but they will do for you to start and to do your first model, and then if you like it and if you carry on, then you invest in better gear. We have one metal file. Let's go, get out. We have one metal file. We have one coarse nail file, and we have the buffer nail file. So this will be the thinner course. So this is like a smoothing agent for this one. So you start with this one, and then you work your way through this one, and this one to buff the scratches. And this is pretty much all you need to start your assembly. I thoroughly like this one, and for the price I think you can beat this one. So we have the model, we have the cutting mat, we have the tools to assemble. So now we need is to secure the parts in place. So you have this and this, right? So when attaching the two halves of the fuselage, the wings, painting small parts, you will need clamps and sticky tack. This is not essential, as you can use like rubber bands to do that as well, but for £1 the clamps and £1.10 the sticky tack, I think it's worth to get them. Gives you a better grip, gives you a better way to secure the things without messing up. This is absolutely perfect in conjunction with these little things from, and I'll pass the publicity from McDonald's, the coffee stirrers. Every time I go there and ask for a coffee, I take one for my coffee and another spare 10 or a handful of them without them seeing. And if you stick your parts in here, you can you're gonna see it on the building stages and how it works. But yeah, these spring conjunction are perfect for holding your small parts and get your fuselage together. So there's another £1.10 that we have here. Having done that, we need to start painting a model. Although the model comes, as you can see, I'll show you here. Although the model comes already with paints and glue and a brush, as you guys can see. So the model itself comes with a paintbrush number 2, the paints, and the poly cement. So this is what you need to assemble a thingy. But to paint, just this little brush on that big fuselage is not gonna cut the deal. So I head up to Poundland and got this one. 2 sets, a round, a flat head, and 2 small ones for, and again, small pieces. £1 each, and they will do the job. And last but not least, we have the masking tape. So whenever you want to make a defined line, or you don't want to go from one end to the other, you use the masking tape. This is not the ideal one because it's a crap one, but for you to start on the hobby, that's absolutely perfect, and that will do it. So basically this is what we need to start on the hobby. Let's recap. We have our self-healing cutting mat, £3.47. We have our model, £6.99. We have our tool set, £8.99. We have 2 sets of brushes, £1 each. We have 1 set of clamps, £1. We have 1 set of sticky tack, £1.10, and we have the masking tape, that's £1 as well. This one is offer courtesy of McDonald's. Altogether comes with a hefty bill of £24.55. I don't think it's too much. If you go out on a night for a few pints, you spend way lot more, and it will bring you joy and some peace to your mind. This is a very pleasing hobby that helps you balance your mental health, at least in my case, is one of the reasons why I do it. So we're gonna build this. This will be the next volume, the next episode of the series. I'm gonna go through you with only these tools, and we will build this one, and you can let me know in the comments what you think of this, and if you want to see it more planes built with these tools or not. See you next time. Ta-ta.